Like many Jamaicans, I'm proud to be a Jamaican. And today, I want to share just a few Jamaican facts with you about our special place in the world. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is one of the most sought after and most expensive coffees in the world. But did you know that Sea Island cotton is also one of the most expensive and one of the finest cottons in the world? Glistening Waters in Falmouth is one of only 4 locations in the entire world where you can witness bioluminescence. The last 2 habitats in the Western Hemisphere for the largest butterfly, the giant swallowtail, are in Jamaica, the Cockpit Country, and the Blue and Jonker Mountains National Park. Jamaica has the most sub 10-second runs in the 100 meters, mostly thanks to Asafa Powell and Usain Bolt. Jamaica was the first tropical country to enter the Winter Olympics, inspiring the famous Disney movie Cool Runnings. Yes, Jamaica have a bobsled team. Ian Fleming wrote all of his James Bond books in Jamaica. And Dr. No, the first Bond film, was shot in Jamaica. Live and Let Die had scenes in Jamaica. And No Time to Die, the most recent Bond movie, was also filmed in Jamaica. Looking back at history, in the 1600s, Port Royal and Boston were the 2 largest English towns in the Western Hemisphere and the most economically important. Black River received electricity for the entire town just 11 years after Thomas Edison lit up Lower Manhattan. Jamaica was the first commercial producer of bananas in the Western Hemisphere. And the last one of the oldest golf clubs in the Western Hemisphere was founded in Jamaica. The Manchester Golf Club was founded 8 years before the Royal Montreal Club in Canada.